Most of us don't struggle because we do not earn enough. We struggle because we can't see where the money goes. A study of Ghanaian tertiary students found that most already have decent instincts for saving and borrowing. What's left is visibility. And in Ghana, that gap is real. Because we are mostly moving money through Momo dozens of times a month. Buried in a wall of SMS texts, nobody has time to sort through. None of it feels like much in the moment, but by the end of the month, it adds up to a lot. Spreadsheets need manual logging nobody has time for. And most budgeting apps were built for salaried workers with bank cards, not for mobile money or gig income, which is how most of us actually earn and spend. That's the gap budget boss feels. It's a smart automated financial copilot designed specifically for the Ghanaian mobile money ecosystem, reading through SMS transactions so you can get the visibility without you lifting a finger to log anything in. It's built for students trying to manage an allowance, young professionals starting up, or gig workers with income that shifts week to week.
To turn thousands of scattered SMS messages into structured, actionable financial data, we had to build a highly effective local database powered by Drift and SQLite. Our database is heavily optimized for mobile environments to guarantee the app launches instantly without any UI lag or white screens. The database connection is opened via a background isolate during a cold start. Our database schema sits at version 8, reflecting months of continuous iterations. It utilizes 9 core tables, including specialized tables for transactions, budgets, and saving goals. The transaction table acts as a central hub to ensure rapid data retrieval as the user transaction history grows over multiple semesters. We implemented we implemented performance indexes on transaction amounts, dates, and merchant names. But how does the data actually enter our table securely? It is crucial to understand that the budget box operates completely as a read-only SMS tracker. It has absolutely no connection to bank login credentials, requires no API tokens, and fundamentally cannot move money. Because our application runs locally, we also designed a robust migration strategy. We utilize sequential version guards. This means our app can seamlessly upgrade a user's database to the latest schema in a single safe step, regardless of how old their current installation is. To bring this massive amount of data to the user interface, we employ a two-tier provider architecture. The first tier provides imperative, one-shot access to our 80 different data access object methods. The second tier then exposes drift reactive streams to our state management frameworks. This structural choice guarantees that the very millisecond a new transaction is saved to the local database, the user interface updates automatically. I will now hand over to the next presenter, who is our engineer developer.
My name is Gabriel and I'm going to talk about the data capture, filtering, categorization, and deduplication. The true magic of Budget Boss lies within our custom SMS parsing and categorization pipeline. We capture financial data through three distinct entry points. 1. A real-time foreground listener. 2. A background broadcast receiver. And 3. A historical inbox import function that aggressively scans your existing messages on the very first launch. When a new SMS arrives, our algorithm first verifies if the sender matches known telecom providers like MTN Momo or Telecel Cash. If it does, we pass the message through a library of 23 distinct regular expression templates. These regex templates precisely extract the named groups we need: the transaction amount, the counterparty, the transaction fee, and the remaining balance. However, before we save any information, we run a rigorous filter guard. Mobile networks send a lot of spam. Our app actively filters out one-time passwords, promotional messages, and failed transactions, but we built in a failsafe. If the text contains transaction keywords like confirmed or received, it intelligently bypasses the OTP filter to ensure real transactions aren't accidentally discarded. Next, our categorization engine organizes the data. It uses a dynamic multi-phase approach. It checks for user-learned hints first, then scans the specific counterparty keywords, and finally analyzes the raw SMS body to tag your expenses. It automatically groups your spending into categories like food, transport, or data bundles to find hidden leaks in your budget. Finally, to ensure absolute data accuracy, we utilize a robust two-layer duplicate detection system. This system checks for exact SMS ID matches and also runs a semantic check, flagging identical transaction amounts sent to the same counterparty within a 2-minute window. I will now pass it to our product manager to discuss the user interface and security protocols. Thank you.
Managing money has been a problem in our daily lives, whether we are workers or students. There's always seemed to be one of the things that we have sometimes seem to struggle with. But what if you no longer have to face those problems? Budget Board is an application that doesn't only help you manage your money, but also helps you track your expenses and also helps you create saving goals. In this particular feature of the Budget Boss application, the application refreshes itself automatically, so you don't have to go through the hassle of always refreshing it yourself. Not only that, it also carries unused money to the next budget period so you can save more. Once you before you overspend so you don't have to you don't forget your limits and helps you save automatically. Budget Boss also helps you track your spending and create budget goals for you. All of this is presented on a beautifully clean dashboard. We utilize an indexed stack widget for instant lag-free switching between your main tabs to keep the app perfectly smooth during massive bulk SMS imports. We implemented a clever 400 millisecond debounce window. This collapses hundreds of rapid database emissions into a single UI rebuild, keeping the experience battery smooth. Lastly, because financial data is highly sensitive, our security approach focuses on absolute privacy. Budget Boss is currently an offline-only application where your data never leaves your physical device. To protect the app locally, we require biometric authentication or PIN. We never store your PIN in plain text. We secure it using PBKDF2 hashing with 1,000 iterations and a 16-byte salt, making brute force attacks practically impossible. Our CFO will now conclude with our business model. Thank you.
To conclude our presentation, I just want to ask you guys a simple question. Aren't you tired of thinking at the end of the month about what happens to your digital wallets? What happens to your money? What went wrong? Why is that I don't have anything left? See, it's time for you to take control over your digital financial life. That's why today we're inviting you to join our beta testing program by downloading our APK. Join Budget Boss app now. You may ask, why should we install Budget Boss? You see, you will get free unlimited powerful tools. For example, see our dashboard. You get to see your budget status, you get to see your financial health, you get to see your upcoming goals, you get to see your various analytic graphs and the rest of your expenditure versus your income. You get to plan what to do and what not to do. It's to help you save for a brighter tomorrow. Don't be like me that waste money unnecessary. At the end of the year hasn't even here, but I've used 11,000 CDs. I don't have anything in my savings. Don't be like me. Join Budget Boss. Save for a brighter future. Now, there are some features which you're expecting in the upcoming features which will be uploaded very soon. For instance, we are introducing an encrypted cloud backup. Or, push your data to our server so that you don't worry about losing your data if you lose your phone. You also add advanced PDF reporting, generate financial statements that you can easily export and use as a legitimate proof of income for your microloans and other housing applications. Then you'll be also given AI powered analytics, more powerful than what we have here. This utilizes cutting-edge machine learning models that automatically adapt to new Momo vendors, accurately predicting your end of month burnout rates and deliver intelligent personalized savings advice. Don't wait to get a grip on your finance. Download the Budget Boys Better EPK today. Partner with our team and start using our ultimate financial tool specifically built for Ghanaian youth. Thank you.